Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to interpret Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, and it provides a more detailed and accurate picture of user behavior on your website or app. To start interpreting Google Analytics 4 setup, you need to first understand the key concepts. Google Analytics 4 is based on events and parameters. An event is an action that a user takes on your website or app, such as clicking a button or filling out a form. Parameters provide additional context about the event, such as the category of the button that was clicked. The first step is to set up your Google Analytics 4 property. This involves creating a new property in the Google Analytics admin section and installing the Google Analytics 4 tag on your website or app. Once you have set up your property, you can start to configure your events and parameters. The next step is to configure your data streams. Data streams are the sources of data in Google Analytics 4, such as your website or app. You can configure your data streams by going to the admin section and clicking on Data Streams. Another important concept in Google Analytics 4 is the concept of audiences. Audiences are groups of users that have something in common, such as location or behavior. You can create audiences in Google Analytics 4 by going to the Configure section and clicking on Audiences. To analyze your data in Google Analytics 4, you can use the Reports section. The Reports section provides a range of pre-built reports, such as the Real-Time Report and the Acquisition Report. You can also create custom reports by going to the Explore section and using the reporting templates. Best practices for interpreting Google Analytics 4 setup include regularly checking your data for accuracy and completeness, using the debug view to test your events and parameters, and using the audiences feature to segment your data and gain a deeper understanding of your users. By following these steps and best practices, you can gain a deeper understanding of your users and make data-driven decisions to improve your website or app. Google Analytics 4 provides a range of features and tools to help you analyze your data and gain insights into user behavior.